back, my YouTube friends and family. This is Lindsay, and I am back with another non-phone work from home job lead for you. I know there's not a lot of people that are wanting customer service, but if you do like customer service, let me know in the comments down below. And as always, I just want to ask that if you find any of my job leads helpful, please like and share with all your friends and family so we can all work from home, living our happiest, healthiest life. But today's job lead is from the company Roadie. Now, Roadie is a UPS company owned and operated or associated with UPS. They only have 100 reviews themselves on Glassdoor, but they do have a 3.5 out of 5-star rating. They are hiring a social media engagement specialist. Now, this is remote for the United States. It says Roadie is a UPS company crowdsourced delivery platform. It was founded in 2014 and works with consumers and small businesses across virtually every industry to enable scheduled same-day and urgent delivery in passenger vehicles across the U.S. They are basically looking for somebody to represent the voice of Roadie on their social media channels, engaging in public forums and responding to comments and replying to the private messages that come through. You'll also be the administrator for the Roadie driver Facebook group, moderating the conversation and weighing in on topics of keen interest in the driver community, especially relating to new features or key aspects of the service. You're going to develop and trust and rapport with their drivers and senders by moving public conversations to private spaces when necessary. So you're basically going to be monitoring all the social media comments and discussions and kind of moderating them, making sure that nothing negative is out there and responding to things when necessary. So completely non-phone. They are looking for somebody who has 2 years experience in some kind of customer service or customer support role. Of course, they prefer a bachelor degree, but it is not required. They do need excellent customer service skills, great written communication skills, so you have to know how to use correct grammar and punctuation, someone who has strong proofreading ability with a great eye to detail, and of course you've got to know how to work those social media platforms, including Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, LinkedIn, all of those kind of things. I think in today's world, most of us can work those. Now, unfortunately, pay was not listed for this position. That's going to have to be something that is discussed at the time of the interview, but it does say they offer a standard benefit package, and they do give you a monthly work from home stipend as well. All right, if you've made it to the end of this video, I want to say thank you so much for watching and supporting me. Always feel free to leave anything specific down below in the comments that you're looking for. I do read those and keep that in mind, and I'll be back really soon with more work from home job leads just for you.